ensure that we follow it to the ladder to ensure that we don't have any resemblance, yes, any resemblance of what? Resemblance of the country that we came out from. So anyway, that is one. Let me use this opportunity to also show people one thing from just one or two departments. One department of the good for them. Okay. Yeah, one of the departments I know will be working closely with your department will also be the Ministry of Justice and Legal Affairs again, especially in this structure. This structure of the Ministry of Justice and Legal Affairs is something that I also want your department DGs to also familiarize themselves with, so that they'll be able to know as they. Oh yeah. So Honorable Secretary Mouthpiece. What I was looking for is each of these departments is in our constitution. That's what I was trying to say. I was looking for you. Yes. So everything you see here, you go to our constitution, you will see exactly the same thing. Exactly. Just like this Ministry of Interior and Homeland Security, if you go to the United States of Biafra Constitution, you will see every single department here and their job fully lined out. That's what I was looking for. So yeah. So that is why it must be the same way it is on this structure, because this structure moves into our constitution, or the other way. Our constitution was used to frame this structure either way, both ways, but they go hand in hand. So any department here, like immigration, when you open the United States of Biafra Constitution, you're going to see the chapter. When you open the chapter, you will see this immigration, and it will lay out maybe 2, 3, 4 pages of exactly what this department is going to be doing. It is under passport, it is prisons and correctional services, it is in our constitution. So that is why every department must be exactly the same way it is on the structures. Okay, so that's what I was looking for. I forgot it is somewhere else. It's in our constitution, not here. Okay.
Your Excellency, you're already learning everything, and you're going to teach us. So, when you are saying it here, I think you posted it on your Twitter handle. We're like, that's what we are working for. So, please, I will still liaise with you. To merge the 1 or 2 ones that you want me to merge together.
It's already there. This structure is in the cabinet platform. You just have to go back, pull it, and just restructure everything you have to be exactly word by word of what that we have. I was able to pull the one for the Department of Religion and Freedom Monitoring, and I just put just a section that deal with the Ministry of Justice and Legal Affairs under the all right. So under the Ministry of Justice and Legal Affairs, you can see our Religious Freedom and Monitoring Department right here on the bottom. So it is just one section of the United States of Biafra Ministry of Justice and Legal Affairs.
Yes. You see, all the departments it's like we work hand in hand with every department, the Interior and Homeland Security works. I think we are into all the departments.
They spread out to different places. They spread, and again, that's the way it's supposed to be. All the United States of Biafra government departments supposed to be working hand in hand with the different departments. Some departments are more closely related. Some there's no connection between some department and some department. But the only example I'm trying to give, under the Ministry of Justice and Legal Affairs, we have the Office of the Attorney General. We have what we call the Biafra Judicial Council, and where we have the special court. So we have the regular courts and the special courts. Then we have the Biafra Religious Consent Form. The Biafra Religious Consent Form, I'm sure we touched it when I posted about the Biafra Religious Freedom and Monitoring Department. But two major sections of the Biafra Court are the regular courts, where you have the Supreme Court, the Intermediate Courts, and the Primary Court. Then we have the special courts, which include our military courts, our commercial courts, and our religious courts. So our Religious Freedom and Monitoring Department, all their cases will be treated under the special court, which is under the religious courts. So again, I just encourage every Biafrans to take out time. Those of you that have not read through our Constitution, go through. I'm so surprised. It baffles me when even our people in homeland, many of them have read our Constitution. I mean, page to page, like 2 times from beginning to end. It baffles me so much when they come and they're just analyzing and telling me how this one is connected to that. I mean, it's just so amazing, and they're very happy. So this is one area that I wanted to ensure that everyone familiar with. So let's go back to your department. We can now go ahead and take the people to be confirmed. Give me 1 second to know the state and the particular department that they are going to be. Give me 1 second.
Okay. Please, while we are waiting for Her Excellency, please, those of you that are here, please raise up your hand so that when you're called, you can please call out the position you applied for, and then for the DPM to confirm it, please.
All right.
Excuse me, the secretary, can't we just be, if we call the names according to how their state governors submit, because each and submit, they write also the position of the people, so that it will get more.
Okay.
It's just only for the person, him or her, to identify his or her presence here, so that we move on.
Okay. I don't know. DPM, should we send you the names? You call them out, or we call them? My deputy calls them out, then you confirm.
Again, so how did you do that? I just need the name, and I'm going to see the person, and then I want to know, did you just appoint, did you just, again, this is your area, did you appoint like one to help in each state as you continue to develop the different offices under your department, or is it, again, either way, I don't have any problem, so let me know how you want it. But mine is to check the state and then the area, or if it's somebody that's going to help your department to oversee this, other remaining directors, generals, different departmental heads and all that. I don't know how you structure that, but you can go ahead, let me know what you want.
Okay, go ahead. Let me just.
The name was submitted through from the governors. So
that's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
From the governors, they vetted them.
Yeah, again, it has to fall under one of those things I just showed you, or if they are submitted as those that will be there to help to fill all those other, to ensure that the different departments that we just went through, when you're getting the right people or the state governors are appointing the right people with the right qualifications to take up those positions, those people are going to those positions that I just showed you also. Either way you want to do it, it don't matter to me. I just want to know whom you have, what they have, and what is their position. You can go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Deputy, Honorable. Yeah, Honorable. Honorable. I have a question before you guys start. Okay? So sorry. I'm sorry. I have a question. But actually, it's not a question though. I just want to make a note of what I saw.
I was speaking.
Yeah, that was Honorable.
Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah, thank you so much, Your Excellency, for your explanation. Yeah, but looking at this, all your explanation, and also looking at state job description, I've seen here that, for example, with prison and the correctional services, it's the state, they split the job. So
you said what? You said
the job is split. The job listed is two. They have prison services and also they have correctional services. I don't know.
You said the job is what?
It's two. It's two, according to the state.
Yes.
Is it okay or I don't know?
It is okay. Everything here cannot be changed. Not one thing in the Constitution or in this structure will be tampered with. It's set on stone.
Yeah, what I'm saying, Your Excellency, is that there are two people in this job. Somebody is in prison services, another person is correctional services.
Oh, definitely. That may require two people.
Yes.
Yeah, you require two people heading it. Yeah, you're absolutely correct. Yeah. Because prisons, remember,
it's different from correctional.
Yeah. Again, it's not really different per se. It's not really because some people call their prison correctional facilities. Remember, But again, like you pointed out, it definitely may have two different directors heading those ones. But in some countries, actually, prisons and correctional services is actually listed as one service. Prisons and correctional services is listed as one, probably under one big director general. Then the different areas, the prison might have a different head, and then the correctional service centers may have a different head. So I don't think I'm clear what I'm saying. But usually, from the research, in most advanced world, with the country with youth, the prisons and correctional services are usually kind of together. But again, you're absolutely correct. That would depend on the department secretaries and how they work that out. But it's supposed to closely work under the same umbrella. Any place where you have two departments together, just like you have the police/law enforcement, it works together. But again, you don't need to crack your head. When you go to our Constitution, it tells you whether it will be two people or one people. Trust me. All these have been taken care of in the Constitution. So, all right.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Okay, so go ahead. Let's go ahead.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, Honorable. Honorable Smile, please call them the way they are. Like every state, you call their names and the position the governors submitted. So,
okay, just the way the governor submitted it, then
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now I start from the very first state submitted Director Generals by State of Aludo. We have here Samuel Iroha, Director General Biafra Federal Police Force. Okay, which we are going to change the name, but I just continue just the way the name was written before.
You say Samuel Holmes.
Samuel Ude Iroha.
Ude Iroha. Okay.
Yes.
So, can I see you, Samuel? Hang on 1 second. Is he here? Samuel, I need to see your face. From the state of Aludo.
Yes, let me put off to mine.
Where's Samuel?
Samuel Ude Iroha. Are you here?
We have to be fast. If the person.
Okay. So, Aludo, Samuel, okay, go to the. Okay, so let's do it this way. Let's see what to do, because let's look at those that are present, that have the positions, we capture them, and then those that are here, so that either way, but go ahead the way you want to do it, because once we capture those that are not here, those that are, we can close out.
Yeah, that's why I suggest if we just mention their name, then the person will just answer present.
Okay, that's what we are waiting for. So the first person.
Okay. The second person is Emenike Edward, Deputy Biafra. Okay, Emenike Edward, Deputy. Then we go. Emenike Edward.
What state?
Still, I don't know.
Okay.
We don't have any deputy for any DG states.
Yes.
If we don't have it, just
I jump it.
Okay, thank you.
I jump it. The next person is Delight Joshua, Director General Biafra Federal Road Safety Commission.
Is there Emenike here? Emenike Edward?
Please unmute your mic. If anyone that is called, please unmute your mic, please.
Okay, go ahead with the next person.
Delight Joshua. Director General Biafra Federal Road Safety Commission. Is Delight Joshua here? Are you here? No. Okay. Honorable John Ibe, you Deputy Director. Okay. I jump again. It's also Deputy.
And then those of them that are to be confirmed. If you're here, you can also use the chat button on the bottom chat section. Just type in your name, your state, and then the position. We can also capture that, because sometimes we have these meetings and they're having network problems.
Yeah, some of them I've already noted on the chat section.
Okay. But if they know, let them put their name and their state so that we can capture that.
Then we have again Prince Jean, Director General Biafra Immigration Service.
Good evening, Your Excellency.
Okay.
I'm here.
What state?
Aludo.
Okay.
My name is Prince Jean. I am the Director General of Immigration Services. I'm sorry that I'm holding two posts, even Director General Biafra Cyber Security Network.
Okay, do you have your video on or not?
Okay. Let me on it. It's
Okay.
on now.
Okay, I got you. You can put it off if you want. Good. You can take it off. Thank you. So I see somebody dropped good evening, Commander Dakota, the DG for Civil Defense, State of Ohamadike. Again, go ahead.
I'm calling them according to the state because we have only just 10 states that have submitted names. So I'm following them according to how the state submitted it.
All right, go ahead, please.
Okay, now we have the next person. Odum Chukwemeka Ume, Director General, Biafra Civil Defense Corps. Yes.
I'm present. Yes, I'm present.
Odum Chukwemeka, what state?
State of Alodo.
Okay, all right, thank you. Go ahead, Asma.
Honorable Okereke Obioma. Are you here? Honorable Okereke Obioma, Director General, Biafra Prison Service.
The same Alodo.
Yes, I'm just calling the first state.
Okay, good.
Okay. Next person, Ochuba Uguogo, BCD, Director General, Biafra Customs Bureau.
Okay. Is he here? Is he available?
Honorable Ochuba Uguogo.
Okay, go to the next person.
Okay. Honorable Chukuma Oba, Director General, Biafra Security Intelligence Service, BSIS.
Okay.
Okay, then Honorable Prince Jean have already stated Director General, Biafra Cyber Security Network. So he have already mentioned it that he's occupying 2 positions. Okay,
that's fine.
then we have we have Honorable Smart Carlo. Smart Carlo here, also from Director General, Biafra Statistics and Census Commission.
Okay.
Agent wife, I greet you. Next Mark, I see you. And I greet James and Joko. All of you in the commission. I'm Magic Ngozi. I see you as well.
David.
Please don't forget to like the video.
And again, most of these positions in the state, we encourage diasporas to use this opportunity to take up some of these positions in their state, homeland. Again, I thank the states that are already in that transition, moving some of their citizens in diaspora into all these positions. And I keep saying there are over 1 million positions for Biafrans to occupy in homeland. And as we do this transition, we want to ensure that those that have the expertise and what it takes to be able to help in their states in these positions are taking up this position. I thank all those diasporans that are already stepping up and doing that. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes, Your Excellency. I'm so glad some of our honorable members have already indicated that willingness to join this department. I'm so happy to see some of the honorable members in the department now. So thank you.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Jukes Chukwu, are you here? BSAA, Director General, Biafra Security Administration Agency. Okay. Honorable Okafor David, Director General, Biafra Fire Service.
Frank Okoya, I see you, Frank Okoya.
Honorable Duke, Director General, Biafra Border Service.
Good evening, all. Good evening, my DPM. God bless all of you. I'm present.
Okay, thank you so much. Again, my expectations are all the secretaries of the different departments familiarize themselves with the Constitution of the United States of Biafra in all the positions listed under the government. We have gender recognitions in our Constitution. In every state, what are the federal state level positions? Which is at this point, I think it stays at 40%, 40 to 60. 40 females, 60 to the males. That must in capital be the norm in all the 40 states of Biafra. So again, for the states that have these positions, if they don't have this equal spread, they must make sure that they rearrange that to ensure that that 40% that is in our Constitution for female representation is well represented. Go ahead, please.
And the last person is Honorable Ori Inoha, Director General Biafra Public Safety, DPS. Honorable Ori Inoha. Okay. Now we go to the state of Owerri. In the state of Owerri, we have Honorable Uzoma Ndo Agwike, Director General Biafra Public Safety, in the state of Owerri. Are you here?
Yeah, I'm here. Oh, have Biafra. My name is Command Dwari here.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Same state of Owerri, we have Agwocha Ugochukwu, Director General Biafra Border Service, BBS. Are you here? Next, Honorable Chinonso Nwogu, Director General Biafra Security Intelligence Service, BSIS. Are you here? Okay. The next person, Honorable Dr. Emerole, Director General Biafra Immigration Service, BIX. Are you here? Yeah, then the next person is Mazi Luis Anukogo, Director General Biafra Correctional Services, BCS. Still from Owerri State, are you here? Okay, the next person is Azuogu Ubidaya Munachi, Director General Biafra Prison Service, BPS, still Owerri State. Are you here? Okay, the next person is Osita Demma Mokachuku, Director General Biafra Fire Service, still State of Owerri, BFS. Are you here? Okay. Next person, Joseph Chinaka, Director General Biafra Cyber Security Network, in State of Owerri, BCSN. Are you here? Okay. Next one, Hilary Nwara Onye, Director General Biafra Civil Defense Corps, BCDC. Are you here?
Yes, I'm present.
Yes. Okay. Should I go on? She's here.
Yes, go ahead. Good.
Okay. Dr. Obunnaya Anyanwu, Director General Biafra Federal Police Force, BFPF. Are you here? John Kennedy Opera, Director General, Biafran Security Administration Agency, BSAA. Are you here? Odibo Godwin, Director General, Biafra Road Safety Commissioner, BROSC. Are you here?
Sorry, Odibo Godwin was in the prison now. He's our media man. So he's not here now.
What state?
From the state of Hawaii. State of Hawaii.
Was that the one that is in the Port Harcourt Correctional Center?
Exactly.
Okay, have any of you gotten in touch with them?
Yeah.
Okay. So we want to ensure that they get all the help they need in that place while other things are going on.
Also. And one thing I important most is how.
Go ahead.
Okay, now we go to the next state of Ohauku. In Ohauku State, we have Elon Chukudi, Director General, Biafra Public Safety, BPS. Are you here? Second person, Honorable Izeta James, Director General, Biafra Border Service, BBS. Are you here?
As Secretary of Homeland, I hope you have somebody that is taking the list of those that are dropping messages on the chat sections that have positions, either they were not able to talk or for some reason, so that you can follow up on them after. Go ahead.
All right, Your Excellency, thank you. Yeah.
Ituma Ikechukwu, Director General, Biafra Security Intelligence Service, BSIS, from the state of Ohauku. Are you here? Igwe Donald, Director General, Biafra Immigration Service, BIX. Are you here? Ugo Caleb, Director General, Biafra Correctional Service, BCS. Oyibe Ugochukwu, Director General, Biafra Prison Service, BPX. Are you here? Ojima Priest Agon, Ojima Priest Agon, Director General, Biafra Cyber Security Network, BCXN. Are you here? Eze Chibuzo Ali, Director General, Biafra Civil Defense Corps, BCDC. Are you here? Okoto Ndubisi Idoko, Director General, Biafra Disasters Prevention and Management Board, BDPM. Are you here? Ideni Ndubisi, Director General, Biafra Federal Police Force, BFDF. Are you here? Abo Patrick Unong, Director General, Biafra Federal Road Safety Commission, BFRSC. Are you here? Opa Chukwemeka, Director General, Biafra Statistics and Census Commissioner, BSCC. Are you here? Awuk Sunday A, Director General, Biafra Customs Bureau, BCB. Are you here? Now the state of Ohamadike. In the state of Ohamadike, we have Honorable Chika Dibia Mbadu, Director General, Biafra Federal Police Force, BFPF. Are you here? have Commander Dakota, Director General, Biafran Civil Defense Corps, BCDC. Are you here?
I'm here, present and loyal by the PM.
Good. Honorable Collins Ehi, Director General, Biafra Security Intelligence Service, BSIX. Are you here? Honorable Ngozi Joy, Director General, Biafran Cyber Security Network, BCSN. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Yes, I'm here.
Okay, good. Honorable Promise M, Director General, Biafran Statistics and Census Commission, BSCC. Are you here? Mazi Joy, Director General, Biafran Public Safety, BPS. Are you here? Honorable Achimwa Kabule Chimeze, Director General, Biafran Disasters Prevention and Management Board, BPDM. Are you here? Now we go to the state of Alanso. In the state of Alanso, we have Nna Emeka Ishiwu, Director General, Biafra Fire Service. Are you here? Abo Ubunna, Director General, Biafra Customs Service. Are you here? Neka Idiga, Honorable Neka Idiga, Director General, Biafra Immigration Service. Are you here? Ebute Chika, Director General, Biafra Road Safety. Are you here? Abo Sunday, Director General, Biafra Correctional Service. Are you here?
My comrade, I didn't hear my name there.
What is your name, sir, please?
From Ahmadi State, Wachubu Johnny. Biafra. Yes.
Biafra? Okay.
DG, Biafra Road Safety.
Biafra Road Safety. What's your name again, please?
Biafra Road Safety.
Okay, have not here your name.
Ahmadi.
Yes, I'm in Ahmadi State.
Okay.
Biafra Federal Police, we have here Biafra Civil Service Defense Corps, Biafra Security Intelligence, we have Biafra Cyber Security, we have Biafra Statistics and Census. All this is from Ahmadi, Biafra Public Safety, Biafra Public Safety, BPS, Mazi John. Are you the one?
Johnny, not John.
Okay, yes, Mazi Johnny. You are right. Sorry.
Johnny, yeah.
Yeah, Mazi Johnny. Yeah, your name is here. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay. So, and the last person is Honorable Achimwa Abaole Chimeze, Director General, Biafra Disaster Prevention and Management Board. Yeah.
All right. So, okay.
So
is that all we still have?
No. I just
You finished
so
with
from
state. Okay.
From
That's a very state.
We are now from state of Alanso.
Okay, good. Go ahead.
State of Alanso, Nnemeka Ishiwu, Director General, Biafra Fire Service. Abo Obonna, Director General, Biafra Customs Service, are you here? Neka Idika, Director General, Biafra Immigration Service, are you here? Ebute Chika, Director General, Biafra Road Safety, are you here? Abo Sunday, Director General, Biafra Correctional Service. Omo Sholastika, Director General, Biafra Statistics Commission, are you here? Ikechuku Ezema Ignatius, Director General, Biafra Disaster Prevention Board, are you here? Osondu Ugu, Director General, Biafra Border Service, are you here? Eze Ebuka, Director General, Biafra Intelligence Service, are you here? Ugoke Donatus, Director General, Biafra Service Defense, are you here?
Honorable, some of them are writing, putting it on the chat section, and I'm trying to, Ezugu Clifford he said, Ezugu Clifford, DG Alonso. Let me see. He didn't. I don't know if he wrote his. I don't know if he wrote his position. But that of Paul Ugu, DG Police is here for Alonso, and some there's also Commander Dakota, DG for Defense Corps of Hamadike, Honorable Boniface Mache, our Honorable DG BPFPF, which is for Police Force for Mambala, and Mazi Zoma Wike, DSIS for Owerri. I'm just trying to put down some of them, copy down from the chat section.
Okay.
For Alonso, will it not?
Yeah.
Okay,
my name is
okay,
Paul. Good evening, my DPM. My name is Paul Ugu, DG Police Law and Enforcement, Alonso State.
Yeah, but I'm Paul Ugu is yeah. Okay, from the name that I'm calling, the Paul Ugu.
Paul Ugu should be there because I think I saw it.
Yeah.
The state of Alonso, is it not in the state of Alonso?
Yeah,
it's supposed to be, but because I remember that I've added him, but then here, I think here, it's not here, it's not here. So what we will do, it will be better, let's just record those ones, Secretary, if you can be listening the name so that after then I will cross-check from the place we find.
Yeah, I can call it out from here. I have Honorable Eze Emmanuel Alonso for Chief Security, Honorable Paul Ugu, DG for Police, Nemeka DG for Fire Service, John Ezugu for the DG for Disaster Prevention Management Board, Osondu Border Service, Clifford Emmanuel, DG Biafra Immigration, K. Hijoke Obeta, DG Biafra Customs Bureau.
I'm here.
Okay, please, okay, all right. If you're there, please just raise up your hand and so that will be confirmed from these names I called out. So
I'm here as well. Ezugu.
Okay. DPM, I don't know if you are getting that one. Ezugu, Paul Ugu,
if I have what?
If you are getting so you can confirm them. Paul Ugu is here for Alonso, DG for police.
I saw him.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go ahead. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one that was, this was the name that was for the, okay, that from yesterday. Honorable Eze Emmanuel, Honorable Paul Ugu, Honorable Nwa Emeka Ishiwu, John Eze Ugu, Osondo Ugu, Clifford Emmanuel, and Kaisus Chijoke.
Yeah, Eze Ugu is here.
Okay.
Eze Ugu. Emmanuel.
Yeah.
All right. And what state is that?
Alonso.
Okay, that's great. Go ahead.
So now we go to the state of, let me go back to the state of, which state I was. I have Owerri, I have Ohuku, Hamadi Kala. So
I'm from Anani. I haven't had my name. Anani.
From where? From which state? Which state?
Ikemba.
Yeah, we are going to.
Orabueze Sunday should be there.
We haven't gotten to Ikemba yet.
To Ikemba.
All right. I just entered.
Okay, good. Then we are now in the state of Anioma. Mr. Abandone, Austin, Biafra Intelligence Service. In case if I murdered your name, please, I am sorry.
Good evening, everyone.
Big Conde, my brother. Sorry. And then Henry Okwolise, Director General, Biafran Immigration Service. Are you here? Mr. Wadia Chukwu Kajon, Director General, Biafran Defense Corps. Are you here? That is from the state of Anioma. Mrs. Osia Kennedy, are you here? Director General, Biafran Disaster Prevention Management. Honorable Oshile Chelsea, Director General, Biafran Customs Bureau, are you here? Mr. Stanley Oza, Director General, Biafran Federal Road Safety Commission, are you here?
Honorable Smile is murdering your name, so if it doesn't sound right, don't worry.
Yeah, God's power, honor. Ifeanyi Chukwu, Director General, Biafran Statistics and Census Commissioner, are you here? Mrs. Osia Bright, Director General, Biafran Security Administration Agency, are you here? Honorable Mrs. Amos Ofodu, Director General, Biafran Public Safety. Mrs. Uzo Abu Innocent Nambi, Director General, Biafran Border Service. Are you here? Mrs. Money Comfort, Mrs. Money Comfort, Director General, Biafra Correctional and Prison Service. Are you here? Mrs. Onyinye Oku Oke, Director General, Biafran Fire Service. Mr. Innocent Oku Oke, Director General, Biafran Police Force. Are you here? Mrs. Khan Emmanuel Ebele Rita, Director General, Biafran Cyber Security Network.
Good evening, House. I'm here.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we go to the state of Olo. Nyeme Cornelius, Director General, Biafran Immigration Service, BIS. Are you here from state of Olo? Osai Ifanyinwa, Director, Ifeyinwa, Director General, Biafra Correctional and Prisons Service, BCS. Are you here? Okaimesi Ngozi, Director General, Biafran Cyber Security Network, BCSN. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Thank you very much. Good evening, my dear.
Emenowa Muna Chiso, Director General, Biafran Civil Defense Corps, BCDC. Are you here? Emekam Peculiar Ebere, Director General, Biafra Disaster Prevention and Management Board, BDPM. Are you here? Ekwem Wisdom Chima, Director General, Biafra Border Services, BBS. Are you here? Inyanacho Cletus Obinale, Director General, Biafran Security Administration Agency, BSAA. Are you here? Nakaigwe Ifani Chukwu Jero, Director General, Biafra Security Intelligence Service, BSIS. Are you here? Chukwunyi Aladamba, Director General, Biafra Fire Service, BFS. Are you here? Idam Daniel, Director General, Biafra Statistics and Census Commissions, BSCC. Are you here? Patrick Ahamefule, Sonny Onoha, Director General, Biafran Customs Bureau, BCB. Are you here? Perpetual Onoha, Director General, Biafran Federal Road Safety Commission. Are you here? Obinna Isaac, Director General, Biafran Federal Police Force, BFPF. Are you here? Chidi Emeno Owa, Director General, Biafran Public Safety, BPS. Are you here? And we go to the state of Ikemba. Honorable Okpele Mwadioka, Director General, Biafran Public Safety, BPS. Are you here? Honorable Okay. Honorable Kingsley Okechukwu, Director General, Biafran Border Service, BBS. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Please correct the name Kingsley Okeke, not Okechukwu, please.
Okay.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Yes, I'm here. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Biafran Border Service, Kingsley Okeke.
My name is Daniel.
From which state?
From which state? From which state?
No state.
Okay.
And Emerowa, Chidi, Emerowa, no state. I'm here too.
Okay.
Yes. Daniel Chukudubem from Olu State.
We are past. Okay. We are.
Because of the network was bad, so I'm trying to look and get the place that I can, before I want to receive you, then you have already called, but I heard my name and the name of our colleague, Emeruwa, and other people. It's a network problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Noted. We are now in a Kemba state. Noted.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Biafran is border service. Ikemba. From Ikemba.
Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. Honorable Ike Omeni, Director General, Biafran Security Intelligence Service. Are you here? Honorable Goswin Chibuzo Ininaya, Director General, Biafra Immigration Service. Are you here?
Yes, I'm good. I'm okay. Go ahead.
Honorable Wada Ngozi Dorati Okafor, Director General, Biafran Correctional Service, BCS. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, good. Honorable Chibezie Tupu Kaelo, Director General, Biafra Prison Service, BPS. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Good evening, everyone.
Honorable Izuchukwu Okempo, Director General, Biafran Fire Service, BFS. Are you here? Honorable Jinedu M, Director General, Biafran Cyber Security Network, BCSN. Are you here?
Yes, sir, I'm here. I can help you to.
There we go. Honorable Wada Nkoleka Ilo, Director General, Biafran Civil Defense Corps, BCDC. Are you here? Honorable Jukubike Madobu Eze, ex-Director General, Biafra Federal Police Force, BFPF. Are you here?
I'm here. Good evening, all from here.
There. Honorable Testimony Okechukwu Orabueze, Director General, Biafra Federal Road Safety Commissioner, BFROSC. Are you here?
Yeah, I'm here. Good evening, everyone.
There. Honorable Nwada Chika Okoye, Director General, Biafran Statistics and Census Commission, BSCC. Are you here? Honorable Olisa Emeka Ejindo, Director General, Biafra Customs Bureau. Are you here?
I'm here. Good evening, everybody. I'm here.
Okay. Honorable Chigozirim Jonathan, Director General, Biafra Security Administration Agency, BSAA. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Thank you very much, sir.
Then we go to the state of Akpaki Oro. Basi Esan, Director General, Biafran Fire Service, BFX. Are you here? Edem, Director General, Biafran Customs Bureau, BCB. Are you here? Okay, we go to the state of Brennan. Ebike Jeffrey Awaki, Director General, Biafra Security Administration Agency, BSAA. Are you here? CO2, Director General, Biafra Federal Police Force, BFPF. Are you here? Amude Dede, Director General, Biafra Immigration Service, BIS. Are you here? Roland Adley, Director General, Biafra Border Service, BBS. Are you here? Oniye, Director General, Biafra Intelligence Service, BSIS. Are you here? Daniel God News, Director General Biafran Prison Service, BPS. Are you here? Chief Ufoni, Director General Biafran Disasters Prevention and Management Board, BDPM. Are you here? Biodunye Sinte, Director General Biafran Statistics Administration Agency. Are you here? Ibinabo N. Jonathan, Director General Biafra Customs Bureau, BCB. Are you here? Rafael O.A. Daniel, Director General Biafran Statistics and Census Commission, BSCC. Are you here? So, those are the 10 states directors general's names that we have gathered so far. We are still waiting for the other 30 states to submit their director general's names. Thank you. Thank you, my DPM. My Secretary General. There was.
Thank you, Honorable. There's somebody, is it Chukunyere Alagamba? Olu State, he said he couldn't unmute himself. He is here. So that was State of Olu. I don't know if you ticked it. Chukunyere Alagamba. Sorry if I didn't pronounce it properly. The State of Olu. I think most of them are here. So that's because I'm trying to copy down the names from the chat section. So DPM, I don't know, and we've gone through the names that we got on the governors. Though some of them I copied from the chat section. So what we'll do is we'll just write down the names again, and those who are from the chat section are sent to you after the meeting. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Okay, that's fine. So we're just gonna take note of those ones that we've seen that are present here. I've confirmed all of them based on the powers invested in me. There's at least I've seen them here, and those have put their names here. What we're gonna do is hopefully we should be able to find a way to let the structure be sent out. I don't know how we're gonna do that so that people, their friends, have an idea of the different departments and the different positions that are open in those areas, to be able to contact the secretaries of those departments to fill those positions. But again, those have been confirmed today can go ahead in earnest and start the work. I need the list sent to me after this meeting of both those ones that are present that got their name and those that were called out and were present during this meeting. And then, so we have them on the record, and then the State Department should be able to send out the work, the job contracts of the government to these individuals to sign them and return them as required in different areas that they are going to be working. Again, I think I congratulate all those that were present here at this meeting today that were confirmed. Again, take out your time, whatever your position that been confirmed, to go to the United States of Biafra Constitution. All the positions in the structure are in the Constitution. So you'll be able to read the particular area that pertains to you and know your job expectations, what Biafrans expect you to do for the government. Again, the structure, the names are there and remains like that, the way it is put in those structure. Again, I don't know if there's any other thing. The secretary, I think, thank you and your deputy for a great job. Well done. We will continue to build the different departments as we progress. Just like we are building, a couple of departments have really kicked off big time. And that's the expectations. The education department, they're doing a great job already. The different water resources, the sports, again, different departments. And I'm very, very happy the way we are gradually taking over our land and removing the Nigerian state. It's not a matter of whether they want to, they must. It's just a matter of time. Forget all these shenanigans that Tinubu and the legitimized governors are doing. They are already getting the hits. They are already getting the message. As many of you are aware today, the United States of America has warned all their citizens, all their staff that are doing non-emergent services to leave Nigeria, to leave Abuja. And that's a huge thing. For those of you that are following, we are winning the game by the second. Nigeria is crumbling by the second. It is our ultimate aim that Nigeria must be destroyed for people to live. Any day Nigeria exists is thousands of lives being lost on a daily basis. So the earlier Nigeria is crumbled, the earlier Nigeria dissolves, the more we save lives. And again, as of today, when America gave instructions for their non-emergent staff to leave Abuja, Abuja is already being taken over by the reintegrated terrorists brought in by the Nigerian government. The whole north, almost the whole north is gone. They are coming down. Abuja is almost gone. The states from Yoruba state, Kwara state, and all that, many of the states are already gone. The United States of Biafra people are the only free nation in that part of the world. The terrorists will not come to Biafra territory because they know we are a free nation. They know I am the Deputy Prime Minister. They know the Biafra people have declared that they are independent. So, Tinubu and Christopher Musa and Co, they are trying everything possible to bring terrorists into the United States of Biafra territory. Some of them have managed to come in, but the bigger terrorists we have are the reintegrated terrorists wearing Nigerian military and police uniform. The reintegrated terrorists they have in the north, many of them are scared to come into Biafra land. That is why Tinubu gives them the Nigeria uniform, the military and police uniform, to pretend as if they are the security agents using the militia that the legitimized governors have raised. The militias like the Operation Udogachi, Ebubago, some of the Fulani terrorists have come in. And this militia are being championed by some other Biafrans like the DOS, the IPOB organization, people like Chibuse Guatu, the ones like Inchele and Co. These are the terrorists that the Nigerian state and the legitimized governors are using inside Biafra land. The major terrorists, integrated terrorists and all that, they're scared to enter Biafra territory. That's why I am here. They cannot. So Nigerian government already know that. So what they do is the remaining element of Nigerian military and police they're pushing all of them down to southeast. But we know they cannot survive. As they are coming in, we are taking them out. It's a promise. And I'm not going to be here telling them whether to leave Biafra land or not to leave Biafra land. What we know is that the operation Nigeria must go is on. They must leave our land, whether they like it or they don't like it. They must leave, or we will pay make them live. The right for us to secure our land is a basic fundamental right in self-determination. So we are teaching Nigeria what they never know, and they are learning, and they must learn. We are going to be using the same language that Nigeria understands to ensure they leave our land. They're already doing that. Some of them are doing that. The United States of Biafra envisioned elite squad will continue to protect our land and protect our people from the reintegrated terrorists brought in by the Nigerian state into the 40 states of the United States of Biafra. The job of these director generals, it is your responsibility to continue to work closely with the Secretary of Homeland and Interior to find ways to intensify Nigeria must go in Biafra territory. We don't need anything Nigeria in Biafra territory. From the states to the county to the district and to the ward. So whatever your position is in your state, you have to ensure you are familiar with your state. Each state has 15 counties. Each county has 5 districts. Each district has 3 wards. And we have an envisioned elite commander in almost all the state counties. Some states have already moved into the district and the ward commands. So we are making a lot of progress. Every one of you that have been confirmed today should be very, very proud of yourself. Do not be intimidated by the Nigerian politicians. They are the only ones left. I'm telling you, the reintegrated terrorists, they are scared of coming into Biafra territory. So it is the politicians, the delegitimized politicians, using the Nigeria criminal military and police that are the real terrorists. They're the only one that exists, and there are very few of them. They are living by the minutes, and we will continue to ensure they leave our land. The state governors are already working. The commissioners in the 40 states, they're already very active. But in the education department, the health department, doing so much. Now, we expect the director generals to work with their state governors and the commissioners to ensure that their state is fully protected. It is your job to familiarize yourself with your state commanders, with the elite squad, the county commanders, the district and the ward commanders, and make sure that the states provide them all the necessary tools and resources they need to ensure that the reintegrated terrorists brought into your state by the Nigerian government has no place to stay, no breathing space. Anything Nigeria, no matter what it is, we have already mapped out the budget to start rebuilding our different states. And that will happen only after everything Nigeria is destroyed and dismantled in the 40 states of Biafra. We are doing that. On that note, I thank you all so much. And Honorable Marquis, if there's no other question, I think that will be it for today.
Thank you so much. Our own Deputy Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra, a new sovereign nation, and you are doing us proud. Your Excellency, I see a hand up. I don't know if you have like
it's okay.
I think I don't see the hand anymore.
Oh, okay.
It's gone.
Yeah, I'll take 1 or 2 or 3 questions. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, then we can close.
Okay, please, 2 minutes. Yes.
It was me, but I found what I'm looking for.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I was
it's me, Ikochukwu by State of Aludo Governor. Network couldn't allow me to enter scene 7. So I just want to introduce myself that I'm around in this week. I don't know whether State of Aludo details has been announced.
Yeah, I think we captured State of Aludo.
Yes, we did.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. I think there's no other.
Before we go, sorry. If there's any cabinet secretary here that needed to talk in area of need of their department, you can. You have 2 minutes to say that if you want to at this time. If not,
I could say something.
Okay, go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Honorable Secretary Marquis and your cabinet. You're doing an excellent job.
Thank you so much.
I'm envying you. You're doing great.
I wanted to. I couldn't remember how to pronounce your state. So, but I couldn't pronounce it, so I didn't want to be, somebody to laugh at me. So unfortunately, you're here. So I got all your DGs from your state. So
I don't know what's going on. I'm trying my best to reach out to some of them. I can't do much. So
yeah, they said that they're having issues with network. So I don't know.
I have a question to ask.
I'm not done, sir. Please let me finish real quick. Thank you, my DPM and all honorables in the house. Well done. We are so proud of everyone. We are moving up. God bless everyone. I also want to use this privilege to request from the governors present here. This is the Secretary for Community and Social Services. There was a time I posted a request for for you to give me at least commissioners, people that I could reach out to. Most of the states, only maybe 2 or 3 did. The other ones did not give me responses that I needed. Please, if you have those people that could work with community and social services, this is my privilege to ask you to kindly reach out to me or post them in that. I can post it again, my information there. I appreciate everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I have a question. Can you hear me?
Go ahead.
Yes.
All right, my Deputy Prime Minister, thank you and God bless. My name is Daniel. I'm calling from Ogun State, and actually I'm from Edo State, Amasere precisely, but I live here in Olo. I face my battle and freedom. So, Your Excellency, I want to ask you a question because sometimes I sense many things that happen in Amasere when the governor of the zoo who tried to maybe commit and put a coffin in Amasere there, and for many months, and there is nobody, no youth in Amasere, and they kill a lot of people in Amasere there. So I tried to send a lot of things to my governor in Olu here. So I asked him to send this to you so that you can speak about what is happening in Amasere there. Because I don't know who is my governor. I tried to locate, I want to know who is my governor in Amasere, in Edo State. So I don't know the person. So I want to know the person so that we can communicate and that will help do some things in that side. Because I'm Olu here doing some work in Olu and everybody knows me in Olu here. So I want to also do it in my own state, Edo State. So that is what I want to know, Your Excellency. I thank you and may God bless you.
All right, thank you so much. You're asking for the governor of your state, right?
Yes, I want to know the governor and the location so that we can talk. They can know me better.
Where is the governor of Edo State?
Yes.
The Edo State governor here.
No, Your Excellency, because we made it mostly for DGs. So that's why they're not here.
Governor is Governor Granger. So if you can drop your number Somebody is going to send it to him. He's going to get in touch with you. Are you in Homeland?
Yes, I'm in Homeland in Olu State.
Okay, good. So what? Text your number to the. Who's here? To Smile.
You can text. Yeah, to Smile.
Honorable Mouthpiece. Do you have the Mouthpiece number?
No.
Whose number do you have?
Can I call the number here?
You can call your number and I'll give it to him. Call your number, please.
Okay, let me call my number. 081.
081, yes.
08.
08, yes.
50.
50.
11.
11.
47. The last number 47. That's
So
my
it's
WhatsApp line.
So it's 081 085
Yes.
01147.
Yes.
And your
That's
name, sir?
My name is Daniel, Honorable Daniel, Commissioner from Olu State.
Okay.
My DPM, and the last thing I wanted to say was I saw that my governor had been trying to reach him anywhere I couldn't. A lot of efforts have been abortive, and I saw that it was removed from the forum. Do I have a new one, or is it still the same one? I don't know.
Which one? Who?
I saw that you removed him from the forum.
Your Excellency.
Which forum?
The 40 state forum, I saw that it was removed at a point. I don't know if there was an issue. I have also been reaching out to him. I don't see much. I don't know. Is he still the same person, or we have a new one?
Sure, he was removed. What is his name?
Trinity.
Trinity. I'm not sure. Nobody removed Trinity. Has he been active?
It was removed. I don't know.
Has he been active?
That's what I'm saying. I can't even reach him. Like sometimes you call, no answer.
Yeah.
He was posting things. He's posting things, but I don't know if he's attending the governor meetings. I don't know.
I don't know. I'm not sure, but I'll check. But if he's not been active, maybe somebody is acting on behalf of the state. I don't know, but I didn't. I'll check on that.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.
Please, I want you to say something about Ambassador here. There is a very big problem here. I don't know. I think there is one certain time you say something that there was certain time you speak about that place, but the thing is very terrible. No hospital is working, no school. Everybody's at school, nobody's moving out. The thing is terrible, and the military are pulling everywhere.
Yeah, you have to contact your state governor. So, and your people, your state people, all of you have to come together and discuss this thing you're just saying now, all of you. So that's what needs to happen.
The problem I have with that my side is they don't know what is going on. It's only when I travel to village, they would like to come to me and ask me what is going on. So I will be explaining to them. So they don't know what is going on. So
contact your state governor, they probably will look you up with your elite commander, US elite, and then probably you'll get more information from them.
Okay. Thank you, my God bless you.
Right, thank you so much, and I think you have a very strong command around there. Again,
okay.
It depends on. Just contact your state governor, and then you can also contact your. Let's see.
You can help me and talk to the governor so that he can reach me. Then we will talk together.
I already got your number. You can find a way to get in touch with them. I know that. You also have a very strong commander there, Commander Frank. Just get in touch with your state governor, and then he will direct you. Okay? Yeah, because the Nigeria state, they are fighting their last battle. All this nonsense you see them, they are building mosques here, forget nobody should be moved by that nonsense. There will be no mosque in Biafra. Every mosque in Biafra land, every mosque in the 40 state of Biafra will be converted either to a warehouse or for something else. It is in our constitution. There's no going back on any single word in the United States of Biafra constitution. Next person.
Thank you, man. I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful this night. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, our DPM. Good evening, all. Remains the same evangelist, DG, BBS, Aludo State. I am very happy, DPM, you are trying and God is going to be with you. I just want to appreciate you for what you are doing for the different people. It's only God that will reward you, and also for all this, I pray that God will give us courage. Biafra is here. DPM, God will give you grace for you to do what you need for Biafra. That is all I want to say. May people give you more strength, more wisdom. So shall it be. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So now we go by the hands up. Who is Oppo? Is it Oppo A15? Oppo A15. Please unmute yourself. Okay, it's gone. Honorable Teddy, the mic is yours, please.
Good evening, Honorable. Good evening, my DPM.
Okay, all right. Sorry, Honorable. Yeah, go ahead.
Mazi Boniface Omambala State. DG.
Okay, Honorable, you're welcome.
Yes. DPM, I want to thank you so much for what you are doing. I'm very mostly for what all this distraction that is coming on social media. Mommy, you are great. You are a lion itself. Thank you so much for your efforts. Please, Honorable Marquis, I think I am battling with network since. I don't know if my faith we are called Omambala State.
Yeah, we called every name that was submitted by the governor. So,
I says to submit our own list.
Yes, we call it out. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy all the names out again for DPM. So when we finish again, we'll put it out on the governor's platform. If you didn't see the name of your DGs, then know that we didn't get it. But all the ones we got was announced today. They were called out.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you
so much.
Okay, so we'll now go to Honorable Sadi. The mic is yours, sir.
Okay. Good evening, great Biafrans. I'll go straight to salute the efforts of Dr. Howard here, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, Honorable Peace, the great Secretary of Homeland Security, and Smile Ramsey, and all the Biafrans here, all the TTs that's who are appointed. I must say I'm glad that this effort is done in Homeland Security, which we know actually is an embodiment, call it a mini Biafra. I mean, the department itself. There's nothing about Biafra welfare that is not concerned with Homeland Security, both from fire service to critical infrastructure safety and everything that will make us actually appreciate the Biafran society. A lot of things. And I would say at this juncture, honestly, I would say that we still have a lot of things since we've taken off, it's now on all of us, Director General, to actually do a lot of things that will actually mimic what is in the Constitution about each of their roles to deliver in the whole 40 states of Biafra. I must, at this point out that some of the critical infrastructures we have to guard or secure the energy business, oil and gas, and so on and so forth. A lot of pipelines cross across a good number of our states. It's now on all of us to take audit of all that is passing through our states. If we have oil resources, if we have mining, if we have everything that can contribute to the economy of Biafra. So we have to gather all those things and ensure that our enemies do not near all those areas. I'm glad all these efforts have been everything is on drawing board, and I believe that all the people appointed to take care of all this will eventually deliver so that the Biafra talk their chairs eventually. We've organized a society that will benefit each and every one of us. That's all I have. So it's now on us to equally look at things where we can eventually set up the energy resources. But if you have streams, if you have everything, we have to map it so that at long last, we'll be able to have many energy things that can help the community in the form of sustainable energy. Like if you have streams, you can do mini generating plants. The streams that are sustainable, they give us small energy that every part of them, every can corner of Biafra will eventually get something and get energy resources from there. That's all I have. Brief from land security. I'm glad. I'm happy you all hit the ground about at the same time. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Honorable Tadid from the Oil and Gas Department. Again, all the things you said is great. The priority, our priority is we've set up the priorities of the government right now. And the priority at this time is to remove everything Nigerian. And we will start rebuilding. To remove everything Nigeria must be removed from the land. Then we move into the phase of rebuilding our nation. We cannot be rebuilding and be removing at the same time. So the priority of every Biafran at this time is to remove everything Nigeria from the Biafra territory. That's why we launched the Operation Nigeria Must Go. Anything that belongs to Nigeria in Biafra land, they must leave Biafra. So that priority, I want every Biafra to be focused on that. I don't want it to be mixed with anything at this time. For the next 6 months to 1 year, it's absolute focus on the removal of anything Nigeria from Biafra territory. Anything they use from our land to service their criminal counterparts abroad. Anything in any shape or form. So all the DGs, all the Biafran defense, all the Biafra state governors, all the cabinet, the focus is removal of anything Nigeria from Biafra territory, whatever it is. That's why we launched the Biafra Must Go. So let us all focus on that. Whatever it is, as long as it belongs to Nigeria, it must leave Biafra land. If they don't leave, we will make them leave. They must leave. They're already leaving. Let's go to the next person.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Please, the next person is Buffalo. Buffalo, mic is yours.
Thank you so much. Good evening from here. I hope I'm audible.
Well, go ahead, sir.
Good evening, my DPN.
Yeah. Welcome.
This is Champion Buffalo. I want to use this little opportunity I have to say kudos. Keep it up. We have seen what you are doing. It is marvelous in our eyes. We owe you a duty to continue to stand behind you. And we are not relenting. Thank you so much. I want to go this way.
Thank you.
We are the citizens of United States of Biafra. We are the citizens of United States of Biafra. Oh, citizens of United States of Biafra. We are the citizens of United States of Biafra. Ohamadi Kendibo, citizens of United States of Biafra. Mazi Simon citizen of United States of Biafra. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, citizen of United States of Biafra. We are the citizens of United States of Biafra. We are the citizens of United States of Biafra. We are the citizens of United States of Biafra. We are the citizens of United States of Biafra. United States of Biafra. Biafra is a home. United States of Biafra. Biafra is a nation. United States of Biafra. Biafra is identity. United States of Biafra. Biafra is a country. Ohamadi Kendibo, President of United States of Biafra. Mazi Simon Prime Minister of United States of Biafra. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, DPM of United States of Biafra. United States of Biafra. Biafra is a nation. United States of Biafra. Biafra is a home. Thank you so much, my DPM.
Thank you so much. Thank you. That was a good one.
I have one question.
Thank you. Is it
my question
Buffalo? Are you still talking?
Yes, I have one question, please.
Go ahead.
All right. Because some people are asking me a question. For example, somebody who is in the zoo or who is in homeland, but have acted maybe outside the zoo that travels out and comes in. Is there a possibility of such person who is not living abroad, but he goes and comes to apply for this ID card right now? Or should they wait until when it is approved for people in the homeland to do so?
Again, the option is for the person. Right now, we're only doing for diaspora, and then the homeland immigration and Homeland Security Department will be flagging off our ID card in homeland in the next couple of months. So the option is left for that person. We cannot, whatever they want to do, they do. But right now, the only ID card we are working on right now is for those in diaspora. Once we launch our headquarters for the Immigration and Homeland Services in the next few months, the ID card for Homeland will start issuing it from that office. So that's not a question for us. It's the person's choice. Let's go to the next person.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. The next person is the governor of State of Ikemba. State of Ikemba, Excellency, your mic is yours.
Hello, good evening from my end. Our Deputy Prime Minister, good evening, ma'am. Neka, I greet you, ma'am, for all you do. My greetings go to every citizen of State of Ikemba. They won Chineke, mouthpiece of the gods. Akamu the name. I greet us all we are doing. Please, I'm not supposed to be in this meeting. I know. That's why it has not been long I log in. Why I log in is because some people were calling me that's supposed to be in the meeting, but because of one thing or the other, they are not there. For example, Ike Omeni for security. He was there, but he was not able to say anything. At a point, he has to log out because he told me that they are doing burial in his own community. And he participates, he has a lot. They are calling him from one place to another, and he cannot talk. And they had when we say that people that didn't attend, maybe their names will be omitted or what. So I should please help him to answer present for him. Then another person again messaged me because of network. So that's just why I log in. It's not. I know I'm not supposed to be. I'm so sorry about that. Thank you so much for all you do. There you go. Your Excellency, are you there?
Yeah, she just said something. That's fine. Next person. That's
okay. Thank you so much, Excellency, State of Ikemba. The next person is Honorable Famdian. Honorable. The mic is yours, please.
I'm under the weather. I'm not in that good thing, but I just
don't worry. When you finish talking,
I just
I'll send you
something. Thank you. I just want to say thank you and kudos to everyone, especially to Her Excellency. I don't know.
It's our DPM now.
I said I wasn't going to say anything. Now I have said something.
I just want to come and confirm the DPM now.
So kudos to you all. I'm gonna say what I will say, and then I'm gonna hit you all pretty soon. Well, one sentence. We are no more government in waiting. We are government in ready. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Honorable over to you, Your Excellency, to respond to her.
Yeah, she just says, come in, that's fine. Get better. I wish you were something. Thank you. Definitely. She just made that. We already, I want your wine. Anyone that's thinking that the Nigeria state can give you what they don't know what it means. Nigeria state does not know what freedom means. All they know is operating under the barrels of the gun. That is why Nigeria cannot be revived anymore. That is why Nigeria has been declared as a country of particular concern. By the whole world, not just America, because America moves, others follows. So for those that think it's about, isn't it America that declared that? What about the other country? No, America moves, the whole world follows. That's why Nigeria has been declared as the deadliest country in the world for Christians to live, and Biafrans are Christians. So everyone, every Biafran at this time, you must increase what you are doing. You must be very proud of what you are doing. The shenanigans being shown or being carried out by these legitimized governors that some of them are already in the last lap of their life. Do not be moved by that. So I don't read all these nonsense news that they are carrying everywhere. If you are truly following, you should know Nigeria is already gone. We are the one holding ourselves. Our documents, legal documents, are on over 200 tables, world leaders' tables in the whole world, and we are getting responses. So we are the ones holding ourselves. We've given Nigeria time to leave our declared nation. That declaration, that are the signatures of the Biafrans that have pending their signature. No one, no government, no organization in the world can tamper with that. Biafrans, if you all know what we got, you will know that we already got our nation. Nigeria was leave. And that's why we change. So they will leave. Forget all the you see, they come out, oh, they are building 1 million bridges in the world. They are building 1 million airports, 1,000 seaports. What we are interested. The stage we are now is to crumble everything Nigeria, and then we start rebuilding our new nation. The United States of America. We can't function with anything established by the Nigerian state. Anything they establish is fraud, criminality, and does not meet international standards. So we are not going to have hospitals that they are allowing individuals to build to come and build the cutting-edge hospitals that the Afghan nation will use. No, that is why everything Nigeria must crumble. Anything, everything. The task of every Biafra, the 90 million Biafra now, our task is to crumble everything, every equipment, anything that says Nigeria. The individuals, they must go to the western part of Nigeria or to the northern part of Nigeria. It is for their own good. As long as they represent the terrorist state of Nigeria, they are not welcome in Biafra land. They already know that. So, I want you to pray. Nobody can stop the full protection of the Biafra territory. The United States of Biafra elite is doing very, very successfully as we speak. And the Biafran people consistently from the voluntary monthly seat at home, which has increased to a very high level as we speak, because right now the monthly seat at home is covered by the Biafran law, which has approved the 4-day official workday calendar for Biafrans all over the 40 states of Biafra. So the few individuals used by the Nigerian state, they're rounding them up already. So again, our nation is protecting it from the terrorist state of Nigeria. So they don't break this terrorism they have in most part of the northern Nigeria. They don't break it in. And again, do not miss word. The real terrorists in Biafra territory are the Nigerian military and police. Those terrorists that they've recruited into the northern part of Nigeria, many of them are scared of coming to our land. So the ones that we are going to be dealing with every day is the ones the Nigerian military, the Nigerian police, Operation Udogachi, Ebubago, the criminals that are working with them, like the DOS, the IBOD organization, all this in Jele, all this in Kurado, all these in Madubuko, all these criminals that are working for the Nigerian state, they are those that must leave Biafra land. And I believe many of them are running away from our land. So those that are working with them, we must make sure that we follow them. Take these 2 more hands and we'll close, please. No more hands after these 2 people, please. Honorable one, please.
Thank you, Your Excellency. So please, the next person is Biafra Giant Hub. Biafra Giant Hub, please, the mic is yours.
Thank you very, very much. Thank you so much, my honorable mouthpiece of because I dey hear your voice. I dey salute you, Mama. The actual Mama. Thank you very much. My greeting goes to our leader, Mazin Namdekan Ahmadikewan, the man that saw yesterday, tomorrow, and forever. And also goes to our Honorable His Excellency, Simon Ekpa, and to my wonderful mom, Mama Biafra, the woman that gave us hope. Without this woman, without this lady, I don't know what we would have been doing right now. My greetings to you, ma. I salute all your efforts and may Chukwuka continue to bless you and bless you millions and millions and millions. In fact, the millions that is going to bless you is uncountable. Because when I asked people, I told them that ever since they took our leader, Martin Adikam, is there anyone that has been doing something to achieve this program more than PM? And ever since PM has been taken, is there anybody that is giving us templates, movements, strategies than what our United States of America is doing and what our mama is doing? Until I see anything differently from what I'm seeing, that is when I'll begin to believe those people. But now, this is the only available, moving, and faster train, systematic, diplomatic war. So I salute you, man. Thank you so much. To all the honorable members of the House, I thank you all. And to our governors, to the various states, I welcome each and every one of them, and I thank you, to our lead squad, our generals, commanders. We thank all of you for believing in this movement. Do not allow the devil to enter you. This is a message our partner tell our PM there, and he never allowed that. So, come up also. What I have to say today is coming a kind of suggestion or maybe a kind of question. Please, ma, we have 15 departments. All this department is for the security architecture of our states and the federal. Now, all these departments, they are security apparatus, I know, but they are differently categorically. So now, my question.
Departments, where are you talking about? You have 15 departments where?
That is from the DGs.
Well, you're talking about 15 department in the Homeland Security Department, right?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead with your question.
So now, when you come, number one is BFR Public Safety to the number 15. Now, these departments, it's different departments, all right? Different bodies. So my question is, are we going to be working state by state, or are we going to be working as a collective effort? But if we are going to work as a collective effort, it's going to give a kind of a very hectic or instructional. So I don't know how the federal wants us to operate. Whether we are to, for instance, the Security Administration Agency, okay, the Office of Security Administration Agency, that is number 15.
Again, I don't know if you were here at the beginning of the meeting when we clarified all the names, the different departments under the Ministry of Interior and Security. I think you missed that.
Yes, I'm aware.
Okay, so
I just want to know if peradventure we are going to be working like BSAA for instance for state of Ikemba and BSAA for another state. If they are going to be working generally, or every BSAA should be working. That's what I want to understand.
No, we are all independent states. So whatever that is happening, say for instance, if it is the state of Enugu, you cannot be the commissioner or the DG for the state of Enugu working for that of prisons in Enugu. then you are talking about the DG, the prisons of Olu State, the state of Olu. It's different now. All the states are independent. You are all under that under the federal of under a. So you are all going to give back information, everything you know. Or take for instance, there's a meeting to the federal level to everywhere. You have to come to the federal to give information what is happening. In, say, for instance, if you are working in the correctional center in the police department in your own state, you have to go and give to the federal what you are doing, how you are working in your own state. You can't give that give information about that of state of Enugu. So we're all independent. I don't know if I
thank you so much, Secretary. Again, I think we clarified this question at the beginning of this session that all the structures we have in the Ministry of Interior and Homeland Security is already set out on stone, and that's why I have to go back again to show this map, this structure of the United States of Biafra, Ministry of Interior and Homeland Security. These are the departments that are allowed in those departments, and I think we counted it here. It was like 13 departments apart from the secretary and the deputy secretary's office. The departments that we have here is about 13, even though we said when we start establishing some of these departments, they have maybe 2 directors under them. For example, the prisons and correctional services. We use that as an example. It might require somebody to be in charge of the prisons, per se, real prison, and then another to be in charge of correctional services, but he's still going to have one head. So again, the question you asked, I think Honorable Marquis has answered. This is state. These are state. Remember, everything we are doing at the federal, we are replicating it at the state level. So in the area of something like customs, you're not going to have, or something like immigration. Once we have the federal, we're not going to have like the state of Omambala, when you have citizens that migrate from maybe visitors from somewhere to their state, they still have to go through their immigration process. So the person in charge of immigration in the state of Calabar will not control the person in charge of immigration in the state of Omambala, for example. So again, to answer your question, there is no, it's as simple as ABC. There's no big deal here. You just read this structure, then go to the United States of Biafra Constitution, and you read that particular area. It will tell you the specific job each person will be doing. It will tell you the structure of the USB, the structure of the 40 states, what fell under them. Yes, so every state is going to be, just like Honorable Martin said, be in charge of their own. For example, the police and law enforcement. We're not going to have the police of the state of Enugu to be manning the police at the state of Anyoma. So that's why it's a state police, decentralized army. So every state is building their own with some interrelatedness with the federal. Thank you. Did that answer your question?
Yes, you answered my question. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And again, I don't know if there was any other thing that you related, any other question you asked. Oh, yeah. When you talk about people that are distracted. Again, I don't want your friends to waste their time on these distractors. They've been there doing the work time doing, doing the time doing. Again, the more we waste our time on these distractors, the less it takes us away from planning on what we have to do to remove the Nigeria, because their plan is to stop us from removing Nigeria from our state, and we're not going to be carried away with that stupidity. So do not, I tell people, don't pay any attention to them. Anybody, any Biafran at this point that is still confused on what we're doing, don't waste your second on them. Let's go to the next person.
I think we are done, Your Excellency. Okay, we'll just do the final prayer if somebody can pray for us so that DPM will go and rest, please. Please, who can pray for us?
I pray in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Amen. Father Lord, we thank you for kindness and mercies. Thank you for all that you are doing in our new nation. Thank you for our DPM, for our PM, for our leader, Maze Namde. We thank for all those who were inaugurated today, the DGs. We ask you, Lord, to continue to strengthen them with the wisdom so that they come up with initiatives that will continue to make our nation great. Bless us as we go and continue to be with all who are working towards our main goal, going home. Be glorified in our land, be glorified in the lives of those who are leading us, be glorified in the lives of our people. This is our prayer through Christ our Lord. Amen. 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 Amen.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, all honorable members. Over to you, my deputy, Ngozi.
Yes. Okay. Good night, everybody. They want to Yagazi.
Recording stopped.
All right, I welcome all of you. Thank you so much for your time. God bless you guys for joining us in this, emergency broadcast from United States of Biafra and from the office of DPM Dr. Orabueze. Please, before you go, make sure you like the video and subscribe. In case if you have not done so, I expect you to do that as soon as possible. I greet all of you. I don't need to start calling names. I can see people here. Please